The question is, how can I use AI tools to help me create a timeline? So let me think. The fast answer is so timelines are infographics to whichever tool. So you would want to find an image model that can create infographics and then prompt it accordingly, and then you're done. So a little bit longer answer, I'm in Google Gemini right now, so that's just gemini.google.com if you want to follow along. And I will use their new image model here, Nano Banana Pro, just because it's new and why not. So to use that, you would come here and you would make sure that you have Thinking with 3 Pro selected, and then you would want to make sure you have Create Image. And then if you have a format that you want, so let's say that you have a different timeline and you want to use that, make sure you have the file somewhere and then click the plus here and upload that file, and then you can start with that. If you don't have a file, but you do have a format in mind, then make sure that your prompt describes the format. I want this background color, I want this font size, I want this font style, I want whichever other elements, like design elements you want, just describe it in the prompt. Maybe you don't know anything you want and you just want to see what it comes up with and then kind of, I don't know, fine tune it from there. So I'm just going to put in to create a timeline infographic of the Fast and the Furious movies because, I don't know, why not? So this will take probably not that long. It's a thinking model, so it takes a little bit longer, but it probably won't be, I don't know, probably not more than 30 seconds, so I can just wait for this. Okay, and there we go. So clicking on that, and then this will now give me a timeline, and then first movie in the year, and Too Fast, Too Furious in the year. That was a dupe. So it's like, so, okay, so you look through this, and it's just like, does it have the look that you want? If not, then you can go back and do a follow-up prompt and say, hey, I don't want that. I want this kind of background. Maybe you don't like the way this road looks. You can change all those things. If you actually start looking through this, it goes 1, 2, 2, 4. So I would go back and reprompt this, and it's just like, hey, wait, you skipped 3. You did number 2 twice. So look through the output and make sure that it's actually what you want. But this is a much better starting point than just a blank screen, blank piece of paper. So come in here again. Timelines are infographics to whichever tool you're going to use. So find an image model. Again, Nano Banana. This is Nano Banana Pro. You can use ChatGPT. They have multiple image models, and most of them can do infographics. NotebookLM, Canva. There are a lot of options where there are AI image models that can do infographics, and then give it a description of what you want. If you have a starting point, make sure you upload that. It'll just save you some time, and then just be ready to do follow-up prompts to refine your output until you get what you want. And that's really it. So hopefully that's helpful, and I'll see you next time.